Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we are in my gaming setup. What are we gonna do here today? What are we gonna look at? Are we gonna unbox anything? Yes, we are gonna unbox something. I'm gonna show you guys what that thing is, but I can't really pick it up. It's kind of a large item, and as you can see from the title and hopefully the thumbnail, I am getting a new monitor. It was Prime Day just a few days ago as I am recording this video, and oh my gosh, I looked through so many monitors and I was like, geez, dude, this is hard. Finding a good monitor for a good price is really difficult. As you guys may know from my streams, I try not to do it a lot because I feel like stupid when I complain and I know I can do something about it, but I just have been procrastinating. You know, Prime Day, saved $100 on this monitor. I would have went for this Asus one, but Asus was like $300, and this one I got it for $199, which is $200. So I'll take that discount. It is 240 hertz. IPS, which is what I'm complaining about, because when I play Dead by Daylight, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. When I'm playing Dead by Daylight or any game that's dark, or if I want to watch a movie, the top part of my monitor is just, you can't even see it. And the reason, and you're going to be like, why don't you just lower your monitor? Well, I used to do that when I started hurting my neck. So if I want my neck to not hurt, I have to look straight ahead, and if I look up, my neck's gonna hurt. If I look straight ahead though, I can't see anything. You know, it just works out. I don't get it. And I also just wanna show you guys a comparison before we start putting it up. Let me show you guys what it is. Look at this. This is here. This is the monitor. I put it like this, but as you guys can probably see, it says, there you go, 1 millisecond. IPS 240. Look at that. This Asus monitor I could have got that was 280 hertz, but I don't even think I can play on 280 because my Elgato just doesn't support that. Before I do that, I want to show you guys a comparison. I'm going to show you guys Dead by Daylight, and I'm just going to angle the camera down so you can know what I'm talking about. Playing Fortnite doesn't really happen. It does a little bit, but Fortnite's such a bright game, it just does not happen. Sorry guys if the camera quality is bad. I turn the lights off so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. So look, it is me. Look at how, you see the top right there? How it's kind of like distorted. Look, this is obviously not how I play. I'm not like all the way down here, but I hope you guys can like kind of understand this. I'm honestly not sure. I guess the camera doesn't really capture it. So it's like, I just can't really see the top part. If I want to see it, lower the screen and break my neck, right? Oh, turning the lights off. Will that fix it? Oh, well, I have tried. So it does help it. But the thing is look at that. You see what I mean? Like, you just cannot visibly see the top very well, and that's an issue because when you're looking down possibly in a game of Dead by Daylight, you just hit someone, you look down a little bit, you can't see where they went. And the worst part is on a dark map, you literally cannot see. It's not just the top part, just everything about this TN monitor panel is awful. When I bought it, I was a lot shorter, so I didn't have to raise my monitor, so I didn't have to worry about it. It's also a TN monitor panel, so they didn't really have that IPS 240 back then. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's unplayable. I've been playing like this for a good year. And you know what's funny? Look how bright my game is. You're gonna look at it and you're gonna be like, gee, how is your game so bright? This is what I used to play on before I had to literally download filters to get off of the crap. Look. Isn't that crazy? I used to play like this. And an IPS will fix my problems. How do I know? My Mac is an IPS. I literally crouched under my desk and I could see everything perfectly. So yeah, I'm ready to unbox this and do it. We're gonna do a little bit of a time lapse. Let's do it, baby. Comes with a stand. I'm not gonna use that though because I have my monitor arm, which is gonna be so fun to set up. So we have a power cable right here. Okay, I don't know, warning stuff. I don't know how to get hurt with this. Give me an HDMI, appreciate it, I'll take it. Oh wow, they gave me a display port. I don't think I remember getting one last time. Awesome. I already have a really nice display port, so I'm good. And then they gave me a optical, I believe. I don't really know what optical is used for. I think maybe, I know monitors have headphone jacks, so I think maybe you could possibly get audio from it. I don't know. I just plug it in just because, why not? What is this? I know this one has speakers, which is really cool. I doubt I'd use them, but it could be fun for like an Xbox or something. Okay, here's the stand. Oh, I love that. It has a sticker and then did a G-Sync. So yeah, this one is G-Sync, so I could actually use G-Sync if I theoretically wanted to. Yeah, so this is the cool stand right here. over my Alienware, I really like the Alienware stand more. It just was so cool and angular, but this one's simple. You know, it's not as much crap. The Alienware was just huge. Like, it was unnecessary, eventually. So this is the monitor stand. I think that's the VESA mount. The issue is that I need to find the VESA mount. So I don't know how I'm gonna unmount my monitor, because I need the VESA mount unless this thing right here is the VESA mount. I'm not sure, we'll figure that out, but I gotta take everything out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna put it on this towel. You guys cannot see it well, but it's right there, so it doesn't get messed up. Oh yeah, this monitor also, you guys may not be able to see it, but it has like a light that you can actually turn on, which I think is so freaking cool. But yeah, I love this. It has these cool buttons, and it has a joystick. Really cool, instead of the front or buttons that are annoying on Dell. And I actually recently discovered that Dell has a software that I can download to control my monitor stuff. So yeah, actually I'm gonna leave it in the box and I'm gonna disassemble my monitor. Probably kind of stupid of me, to be honest. Leaning it out like this, like it's so sturdy, it's awesome. So this is gonna be weird. I'm gonna have to hold it like this, and this thing's gonna flick me in the face. If I drop this monitor, honestly, I won't be that mad, because this thing's literally gonna hit me in the face. I gotta screw it. I gotta find the screw somewhere. So yeah, when I screw this, it's gonna just fall down. Or like, you'll see what I mean. Honestly, now that I think about it, I don't actually have that much work to do. I have to mount this up, plug the wires in. I think it's the same thing, but we'll have to figure that out. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I literally had two USBs on the back of my monitor that I knew they were there, I just didn't know where they were. Every time I went to find them, I don't know, like, gee, man. Like, I literally have this thing that's a multi-cord. I could just unplug this thing, plug it under my monitor, my new monitor, I could do that. Alright, so I actually figured it out. It's like, I got it to a point where I can just plug it in like I have it right over there. So I'm going to do that with these thumb screws. I love this monitor mount because it came with thumb screws and regular screws, and everyone likes thumb screws, so we're going to use them. They're also really fun to screw in. So yeah, I think I'm doing it right. If not, that's going to suck. Isn't this monitor so beautiful? It looks literally just like the last one. So literally it won't be that much getting used to. It's the same size too. You can't really size up. I wouldn't size up with how it's 1080p. It's probably not a good idea. I'm so excited to be having an IPS because I can literally watch movies on this if I wanted to. Now I just gotta plug everything in. And again, should be fine because the power cable I imagine is the same. Look at this, dude. It's awesome. Okay, you guys can see. Look at that. I always wanted one of these because it makes it so easy to actually use the thing. So there's like 4 buttons right here and a joystick. Like, that is so cool. Clean design. I wish there was a panel right here though. That would be nice. But I love this arrow, like air cooling design. It's so awesome. Switch it on. Let's see what pops up. Oh, I love that on switch, dude. Dude, the colors are instantly different. Like, they're more gray. Like, I don't know if I have to calibrate or anything, but they're a little more gray than the TN. So I may want, oh, look at the light! Look at the light! Look at my finger. You could just go all the way down and see everything. Guys, comparison time. Look at this, dude. Oh my God, we can actually see. I can actually see what I'm looking at. I can actually see, dude. Oh my God. Filter on, filter off. I can actually see. I've been playing like this for months. Months, dude. Months. I can play whatever I want and I can actually see what I'm looking at, dude. This is so awesome, dude. Oh yeah.